Good day, Ma'am Sir. I'm Marie Chris Macha. I'm 42 years old, married. I have three children, two girls and one boy, ages 22, 18, and 16 years old. I am a high school graduate. My height is 5'1", and my weight is 53 kilogram. I work as a domestic helper here in Philippines in 15 years. I serve 5 members of the family, including the grandmother, the working couple, one child, and baby. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of elders, taking care of baby, cleaning the house, cooking of foods, ironing, laundry, car washing, marketing, and also taking care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because much high salary being given a domestic helper. This way better help my family in Philippines. To all respected employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as a domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.